Hello everyone, welcome to Pip Coding. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to see about an interesting topic of linked list to stack adapter. Linked list to stack adapter. First I will explain the question. Okay. I hope you all are know the stack. I'm going to explain this question that I hope that you all are well knowledgeable with the stack. Okay, I will just give the brief explanation about stack. In stack we can push the element at the top, we can pop the element at the top, right? We can get the element at the top. All the process will be going on in the top only in the stack, right? but in queue but in queue, if it is the queue, I can get the element at the first, get the element in the last. I can insert in first, add last, remove first, remove last. I can do all the operations from both the sides, that is first and last. For example, in the stack, if I need to insert 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, like this only it will happen. But in the queue I can insert at the first I can insert 40, then if I want to insert 30, then I can add 30 before 40. But in the stack it is not possible, right? In the stack all the operations are going to do at first only. Remove the elements at first only, add the element at first only, get the element at first only. The get the element is here, that is top, right? So we are going to solve the four functions that are push, pop, size, then top. Top is nothing but our queues add first, get first. Okay, size is same as size of function. Then pop is an remove first. We can't use remove last, remove first. Push is also get first. Sorry, it is not get first, actually it is add first. Top is get first and the push is add first. Okay, this will be our operation. We can directly go into the coding part. It is a very simple question. Okay, first return. I already said that we are going to just size. Just I'm going to call the size function, then it will give me an output, right? Then in the push operation we are going to push the element, that is self dot list dot add first. Fine, self dot list dot add first of value. Okay, in the pop operation we are going to pop the elements, right? That is we are going to remove the elements, so that we are going to check base condition, that is if self dot list dot size, self dot list dot size double equal to 0, then print stack underflow, right? Print stack underflow. Okay, otherwise then return -1. These are the conditions that are given in the question itself, right? Then we are moved to the else part. In the else part we are going to give the value. It will be add at first only, so self dot list dot get first of. Okay, get first of. Fine, then self dot list dot remove first of. remove first of the given value. Then we are going to return that value. That's it. It is happening in the pop function, right? Then in the top function also, just we are getting the topmost element. In the pop also we are getting the topmost element and the remove that element. But in the top, just we are going to get the topmost element. We no need to remove that. So just let me copy paste and make some changes in this. Okay, sorry, I cut this. Okay, just we are going to copy paste this one. Fine. Then we are going to remove this, remove first statement. That's it. This is our code. Let me run this. Yes, we got the correct answer. This is about the linked list to the stack adapter. It is a very easy and very important question too. I hope you all are understand this question. If you understand this question, then stay subscribed to Pep Coding. Thank you. Have a great day.